Okay, so to find Sora, go to your waffle and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see this little flying guy and Sora by Overdrive. When you click on it, it's going to ask you to sign in using the Newfoundland Labrador School District, which makes sense. Sign in with your account. And you can see there's some books available. And say you wanted to borrow Die of a Wimpy Kid, you can click on it. Now you can see some facts about it, the author, title, some levels, the audience, and copies always available, which means it's got an unlimited number of copies available. And if you want to borrow it, you just click the borrow button. It'll open the book up right away, and you can start reading. It's pretty great. There's a few other options up here. Once you close, it'll let you know it's checked out. And whenever you want to read your book, it's right down here at the bottom. Hit home, and there's your Diary of a Wimpy Kid book. And you can open it and start reading again. So it's pretty convenient. There's a whole bunch of other books in here. You've got a limited number you can borrow. So you can't borrow, I think it's 3 at a time. And they do get pulled back after 2 weeks. But that's pretty good.